Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Monday and as you can see I took a loss for the day. Not too mad about it though, since the loss I took was sticking to my rules, and yeah, it was just low probable day, I guess. No news Monday, and after this move up it's kind of destined to just chop. So I'll walk you through what trade I took and why. Yeah, so let's start. Coming into the day, Asia and London had ran up. Why did we run up then? Because of this liquidity sweeps that we had Friday and the reaction in this 4-hour bullish. So my idea was to run up, but can't say I knew, but I was very certain we were gonna go up and catch this high and react in this 1-hour and 4-hour bearish value gap. So I want to see us come up here to react down and catch a short from here. That was my idea for the day. So coming into open, I was patient. We ended up running up, and once we just moved up at open, I was 100% sure we were gonna take this high. And yeah, come into this bearish FVG because it was very clear where our drawn liquidity was, and that the market did want to rebalance and take out this buy side created. So when we then ran up, and firstly NQ was stronger, so NQ did take out this high a lot sooner than ES. So I was hoping for NQ to just grab this high, react in the FVG, make the SMT to then be able to move down, but we showed a lot more strength. And when we did that, I should have been very cautious, since and realized that it was probably low probable to catch a short, since we swept this high, came into the 1-hour bearish value gap, but didn't really seem to get any reaction down. We just moved up and almost closed the 1-hour bearish value gap right there. So it was quite clear the market really didn't want to go down, but I took a short up here. The first one was kind of FOMO and pretty rushed, I would say. I just went off of, we had slowdown. I did want an SMT right here, which we had no SMT, nothing really, just bearish value gap and the idea to rebalance. So we went and got the cyst. Since we didn't have an SMT, that wasn't enough for me, so I also waited for this candle to close to get the disrespect of the fair value gap. However, that just led to me getting a worse entry, since we reacted right here and moved up. So yeah, kind of premature, should have waited for the SMT and the last manipulation. So kind of a bad trade, and that one I lost $500 something dollars, since like I've said, I'm sizing up and I'm okay right now with losing a $500 trade, since yeah, this TP would have been like 1.3k, so I wanted to go faster and not waste time on combines. So I would rather just blow through them by taking bad trades than being stuck and just taking small profit and gambling it that way. So yeah, kind of rushed. Then the second one, we made an SMT, so I decided to give it another go. Made SMT, made assist, made a disrespect of the fair value gap. I entered, so I probably got my entry. Yeah, fuck, I got my entry like right here or something. Had my stops at the highs, so really good RR trade. I had my okay, I probably didn't have, yeah, I had my TP1 here. I had 10 contracts. TP1 was gonna take off 5 right here, but since I had already taken a loss for the day, and we shopped, then we made this big move down, swept this internal low, which made an SMT with ES. So a bullish SMT. Once that happened, I decided to go BE, since when we're this bullish for the day, an internal SMT like this could give us or often gives us the momentum to just continue up. So I decided to go risk free since I'd already taken a loss, which in this case it isn't the best to let it affect the trade you're in right now, that you've already taken a loss. But even if I hadn't taken a loss, I probably still would have gone BE to make it risk free. So yeah, otherwise if I didn't put BE, TP1 would have been hit, I would have been break even for the day. So yeah, price action was not the best today. No news Monday. It's only news Wednesday this week, so but I'm hoping for better price action, and I'm just gonna stick to my rules. I did take some really bad trades after this start to gamble trade. I was down like 1k for the day, and then I got back to 500 and I decided to stop. So yeah, that was the trade recap for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.